Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to mosaic Landsat 8 data in Arcmap. So I have two images here, this one and this one here. I just downloaded them from the USGS. If you does not know how to download them, I shall share a link on the video for downloading these images on the comment section. Just feel free to share, like and subscribe. So we are just going to do two steps, that is bird composite, and finally we shall do mosaicing. So I shall just go to this point on the first image. Let me extend this one here so you can visualize the 7 bands from this point. They are in T format, so we shall just load them to the map view. Just drag and drop. So those are the 7 bands. So we are just going to composite them into one band. So we just go to Arc Toolbox. At Arc Toolbox, go to Data Management Tools. Then under Data Management Tools, go to Projections and Transformations. Under Projections and Transformations, go to raster, then raster processing. Under raster processing, you just double click on the composite bands. So at this point here, we shall just load all the 7 bands quickly. And then assign, you can just create a new folder, for example, mosaic tutorial, and then you can save them using the unique number at this point, 169,060. Then click on save, then okay. Then we shall wait for the composition of bands to take place. Feel free to share, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel as this algorithm is being completed. So you will notice that the bird composite was successful, and the color changed, and this layer was added at this edge. So we are going to do away with these other layers here. Just remove them. This just by right clicking, then remove, and now we shall just do some adjustment on this image here. So just right click, go to properties, then at this point you can just assign the force color values to each. So for the red is 5, then 4, then 3. that is the force color composite. Then we shall use a stretch type of histogram equalizer, then apply, then OK, and you shall visualize that our image appeared as you can see. So that is how we do. So we are just going back to our catalog, to the second image, and do the same. Do the same to the second image. It is just here, so we shall just put off this one, then turn on this, and under this you can visualize the 7 bands at this point. So I shall just drag them, drop them, so you can see it appears at this point. So second band, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and finally the 7th. So I am just going to do the same, so I can put off this one here. I am going to do the same. We just go back to our toolbox, go to data management tools, and the data management tools, go to projection and transformation, and projection and transformation, go to raster processing, and right double click at the composite bands, and under the input rasters you shall just load the 7 bands at this point. These are just the processes of mosaicing in Arcmap. Then specify the name of the output folder at this point. So for example, this which one here, this one here. So you can just go to this, and using the drop down arrow you can just go to desktop data, mosaic data, and just assign a name for these our layers here. So it is just 169.0.61. Then click on save, then OK. And finally we shall wait for the composite bird to be formed. Stay tuned. The algorithm is just going to run quickly. The composite bird was added at this point. So we are going to do away with these others. We are going to do away with this one here. So just remove them. This, do away with all of them. By just right clicking, move. Finally, so we are just going to do some adjustment for this. So go right click, go to properties, and then do the same as we did for the first one. 4, then 3, then it is histogram equalize, then apply, then OK. And now this is our second image. So So I shall turn our first image. Now we shall visualize them in this form. So that's how we can layer stock. That was just a form of layer stocking. So we are going now to mosaic. We are going to mosaic. So to mosaic, we just go to our Arc toolbox. Our Arc toolbox just here. Then go to data management tools. At the data management tools, go to raster. Then raster datasets. Then double click at the mosaic to new raster. And on the dialog table, just load your two images. Then select the output location. So for our case is desktop data. Then desktop data, stroke mosaic tutorial. Then add, and then the raster dataset name you can give is mosaic datasets 8 images. Now finally you can give the number of bands. They were 7. And finally I think those other are optional, so you can just click OK. You can just say mosaic, then OK. And now when the algorithm is complete, we shall visualize our final output at this point. Feel free to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel as the algorithm proceeds to next. I think I'm going to show you how to use a polygon layer or a polygon shapefile to subset it from this image or from this image that we are going to mosaic. Wow. You will notice that the mosaic of the new raster was successful and the layer was added at this point. So you can just adjust this one here and put off our 2 layers and then make some changes for our raster image. So it just, let's measure for today in the force color combination. And we use the histogram equalizer to correct on the contrast. So you just click apply, then OK. Now we'll visualize our new layer. So our layer was formed as one layer, and this as one image. And you may notice that you may even not identify the point of connection. So that's how precise Arcmap is in mosaicing. So feel free to share, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.